How to fix TikTok unable to authorize. Please try again on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will see how we can fix unable to authorize. Please try again error on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. If you are encountering the error, here are several steps that will help you to resolve it. First of all, you have to check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and you can switch between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. In order to switch it, you can simply scroll down your notification panel, turn off your Wi-Fi and then simply turn on your mobile data and check whether your problem will be solved or not. If still not, then what you have to do is open up settings in your device, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, tap on the search icon from the top right corner and then search for TikTok. Then tap on storage and cache. Once you're under this page, tap on clear cache. After you do that, go back and check whether the problem is solved or not. If still not, ensure that you have the latest version of app installed. To check that, open up Google Play Store and then search for TikTok in the search bar. If you have any pending updates on TikTok application, you will have update button where I have open. Tap on update and once the application is updated, go back and check whether your problem is solved or not. If still not, you can restart your device. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix the problem. So restart your device and open up the TikTok and check whether the problem is solved or not. If still not, the another method is to log in with a different method. If you're using one of the method or if you're using your email address to log in, you can log out and then try logging in with another like your phone number or any social media account. Now to log out, all you have to do is open up TikTok. Tap on the profile from the bottom right corner. Tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner and then tap on settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down and at the very end there is an option to log out. Simply tap on log out. Once you're logged out, you can log in with different method back again. And if that still does not help you, then you can reset your password. On the login screen, there is a forgot password method. So all you have to do is tap on it, follow some screen instructions to reset your password. After you do that, check whether the problem is solved or not. If still not, then you can uninstall the TikTok application and reinstall it back. So navigate to your TikTok, tap and hold on it and then simply you can hover this application to uninstall. Once you uninstall the application, install it back from the Google Play Store and your problem will be solved. So these are all the troubleshooting steps that should help you to fix your problem. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.